Looking for the best protein bars? There's no question that protein is an essential part of a healthy diet. Research suggests that protein keeps you feeling full, helps muscle recovery after a workout, can contribute to weight loss, and may even lower blood pressure. A recent study published in Circulation, the Journal of the American Heart Association, found that replacing the calories in refined carbs with a daily 40-gram supplement of milk or soy protein lowered blood pressure modestly. All these benefits help explain why protein bars have become a diet staple in the United States. Protein bars are a type of nutritional supplement that comes in a variety of brands and flavors: chocolate, dark chocolate, almond, vanilla, peanut butter and chocolate, oatmeal, and more. Many protein bars have a good balance of carbohydrates, protein, and fat, making them a nice choice for a snack or post-workout recovery boost. Some protein bars are higher in sugar while others use sugar alcohols. The only problem, says Jessica Jank, a certified sports nutritionist with the National Association of Sports Nutrition, is that not all protein bars are created equal. Many protein bar brands are so loaded with sugar, they're more like delicious candy bars than dietary supplements. The key, Jank says, is selecting a protein bar with the right building blocks. Protein should be at least half the amount of the bar's carbohydrates. For instance, if the bar has 24 grams of carbohydrates, I would want it to have at least 12 grams of protein, Jank explains. I like the sugars to be below 7 grams and the fat to be below 12 grams. Similarly, Erica Stashura, Road, of Boston, recommends dieters watch the sugar, protein, and fiber in protein bars. For a snack, look for protein bars with 200 calories or less, she says. For an on-the-go meal replacement, look for bars that have 200 calories or more. Serious athletes who want a post-workout recovery protein bar should look for bars with about 20 grams of protein. It's also a good idea to look for a short ingredients list to ensure your bar is minimally processed. But what if you indulge in several pure protein bars each day? Could you be getting too much protein? According to the Mayo Clinic, most Americans get twice as much protein as they need. Even without protein bars and other dietary supplements, athletes are getting more protein than is needed. This happens because calorie requirements are higher for athletes, who burn lots of calories, and eating more food increases the intake of protein. In addition, it's not uncommon for athletes to intentionally seek out higher levels of protein because they think it will help them build more muscle. For the average person, the least amount of protein you need each day in order to stay healthy is 0.8 grams per kilogram or 0.36 grams per pound. With a typical diet, that amount is easy to get without even thinking about it. People who exercise regularly need a little more, at about 1.1 to 1.5 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, while those who lift weights or are training for a marathon or cycling event need 1.2 to 1.7 grams per kilogram. Excessive protein intake is considered about 2.5 grams per kilogram of body weight daily. For women ages 40 to 50, protein needs increase to about 1 to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. This is because women at midlife begin to lose muscle mass, sarcopenia, with aging. Experts believe added protein may help prevent this health condition. For those who already have sarcopenia, 1.2 to 1.5 grams per kilogram per day may be needed. Quest bar may be the best protein bar for athletes. Calories: 200 protein, 20 grams, total carbs, 22 grams, total fat, 9 grams, 0.5 saturated sugar, 2 grams. If you want a protein bar that's great for athletes, Jank suggests Quest bars for their low sugar and low fat levels and focus on whole, natural ingredients. Quest bars are all natural, low in sugar, and have 20 grams of protein, Jank explains. Plus, they taste good. Pure protein bars are highly nutritious and taste great. Calories: 190 protein, 20 grams, total carbs, 17 grams, total fat, 6 grams, 3 saturated sugar, 2 grams. When it comes to overall nutrition, Jank likes pure protein bars because of their high protein to carbohydrate ratio. And, she says, these bars don't have that chalky protein supplement taste. Check out Power Crunch bars for a crunchy, sweet snack. Calories: 205 protein, 14 grams, total carbs, 10 grams, total fat, 12 grams, 4 saturated sugar, 5 grams. If you're in the mood for a crunchy, sweet snack that's different in texture from traditional protein bars, Power Crunch bars will leave you satisfied and provide a solid dose of nutrition, Jank says. It tastes like a cookie, and it has 14 grams of protein, 10 grams of carbs, and only 5 grams of sugar, she adds. Detour bars are a low-calorie protein bar. Calories: 150 protein, 15 grams total carbs, 34 grams total fat, 9 grams, 6 saturated sugar, 5 grams. Opt for the smaller-sized Detour bar for a low-calorie snack option that still packs 15 grams of protein. Detour bars taste great and have only 150 calories and 5 grams of sugar plus 15 grams of protein and 34 grams of carbohydrates, Jank says. Choose Metrics bars for a meal replacement. Metrics bars calories: 310 protein, 30 grams total carbs, 33 grams total fat, 10 grams, 6 saturated sugar, 3 grams to be used as a meal replacement. This protein bar packs a big-time protein punch with very little added sugar or carbohydrates. For a healthy snack, Jank suggests opting for the smaller-sized Metrics bar. The Metrics small bar has 200 calories, 19 grams of protein to 24 grams of carbohydrates, and only 5 grams of sugar, she says. Think Thin bars are gluten and sugar-free. Calories: 230 protein, 20 grams total carbs, 23 grams total fat, 8 grams, 3.5 saturated sugar, 0 grams if you're gluten-free or keep kosher. Think Thin bars will meet your requirements, plus they are sugar-free and have only 23 grams of carbs to 20 grams of protein. Although they have 0 sugar, they do contain sugar alcohols, which come from carbs in fruits and vegetables and can upset your stomach if you have too much, Jank cautions. But the bars taste great. All natural kind fruit and nut delight bars are heart healthy. Calories: 180 protein, 5 grams total carbs, 20 grams total fat, 11 grams, 1.5 saturated sugar, 11 grams if you're looking for a heart-healthy snack but aren't as concerned about protein. Stashura recommends Kind's fruit and nut delight bars. These bars are bursting with healthy, monounsaturated fats and all-natural ingredients. Kind bars are a great all-natural snack option, she says. Larabar cashew cookie bars are filled with dates and cashews. Calories: 230 protein, 6 grams total carbs, 23 grams total fat, 13 grams, 1.5 saturated sugar, 18 grams if simple. All natural ingredients are what you're looking for, Stashura says. It's going to be tough to beat the Larabar cashew cookie bar. This bar has just 2 ingredients, cashews and dates, and provides 230 calories, 6 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber, she says. Because dates are naturally packed with sugar, the total sugar in this bar is fairly high. Nature Valley Chewy protein bars are a win-win. Calories: 190 protein, 10 grams total carbs, 14 grams total fat, 12 grams, 3.5 saturated sugar, 6 grams. New from General Mills, Nature Valley Chewy protein bars are high in protein and low in sugar, and you don't have to go to a fancy health food store to find them. With delicious flavors such as peanut butter, dark chocolate and peanut, almond, and dark chocolate, these bars are a win-win. Thanks for watching video. Like and subscribe channel to receive more video about fitness, weight loss, health, keto diet.